guide, I will be showing you guys how to create account on FIFA World Cup Fantasy. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in FIFA World Cup Fantasy and search for it. Now, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one, play.fifa.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're over here, click on the profile icon given at the top right. Click on the option Sign Up. You'll be directed to the registration page. Now here you will need to fill in all these details. Type in your first name, then email address, then select your gender. Likewise, select your date of birth, then country of residence, then preferred communication language. Once you fill all of these, click on the option Continue. Now the next step is to create your password. Generate a strong password, confirm it. Now if you would like to receive updates from FIFA, you can check in for these options. Then agree with the terms and conditions of FIFA. Click on Create Account. And just for that, your account will be created. So this way you can easily create account on FIFA World Cup Fantasy. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.